Alright, everybody, we back with another video. So what we was looking at actually my speaker wasn't, my mic wasn't there. I actually put it in the living room. So I see Ponke BNB. What is this new Ponke BS? Let me go check. I'm curious, guys. Probably did a lot of gains. Let's see. Oh my god. This is some straight doodle caca. Yeah, yeah, look at the market cap. You don't want to invest in something like this. Look, look. This is straight up ass. I would never put $1 in there. So let me go to the right Ponky because we are here back to 9 cents already. I remember we was at like 5 cents like 2 days ago, not even like 5 hours ago. You see, boom, 20 or the 20. It was at 5 cents. You see, we did actually got up quick. We're back at 9 cents. We're creating new support here. You see, boom, boom, back up support. We're gonna keep going sideways. I don't think we're gonna run up right now. Book of meme, I don't like this crypto. That's what I was saying. It comes out so like at this pricing, and boom, you could only do a times 20, times 30, and the market cap is 674. There's only a couple of people, like rare people. So the price you could have gotten was on March 14 was actually one, not a cent, 1/10 of a cent, and after it just went to a cent, so 2 cents. So times 20, times 18. So that's times 18 from here. But not a lot of people would do that. Some people actually got in here. So Book of Meme is on Binance. It could do gains like it could actually do gains like Pepe. Sorry guys. So yeah, it could do good like Pepe, but it's already at a $500 million market cap. That's what I don't like, you know. For me to become rich off this crypto, we need to hit like 20 billion, 30 billion market cap. It could do it, but it's not gonna do it right now. It's gonna take like probably 6 months to a year if it does it, and then it's gonna do it in a bull run. This crypto's already on exchange. Pepe in this one, I really don't like how it got launched. It's not like Shiba Inu and Dogecoin. Dogecoin, Shiba Inu was able to get at prices for low for a very long time, but it looks like these meme coins, they come out and people are all jump into it, boom, 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 so you can't get to it at this low, low price. But it's okay because one day I'm just gonna wake up before everybody buy one and boom, 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 it's gonna be me. So yeah, Book of Meme, Ponky, we're back at 9 cents. We're at this new support. We actually was on Trading View earlier, so we're gonna go back on Trading View. Bitcoin just spiked again. It went back to 66 or 68, but it just looks like a bounce. So we do verify here for Ponky. We are at 8 cents, almost 9 cents. We're trending back up if we do verify here. There is support at 9 cents. We're gonna go here and put a weekly chart. Nope, weekly is too much. A day chart. So us, we got in around here. It went up 1,000%. Okay, no, I'm exaggerating stuff. We got in here. So we did 500, 400%, and now we're back at. We're still up almost 200%. That's good. This is gonna go sideways. Could go back up. Could just crash down. I don't think it's gonna crash down. Look at the support here. Look at the support here. This is too brand new. Support here, resistance here, support here, resistance here. Resistance went higher, back to support where the support was. So Ponky's doing really good. If anybody was looking for a nice meme coin to invest and get rich, I would get in Ponky because I don't know. Jeremy Da Vinci promoted it. The market cap's still low. Look, we're at 37 million. We went up to 70 million. That's proof that there's millions getting introduced in the project. So yeah, we gotta watch out for that. Also, there's a Solana shock. I don't know what. I didn't see the video. I could put it on for you guys to see exactly what he's trying to say.
Solana hit $200 yesterday. What does this mean for SOL? Good morning, good evening, good afternoon, wherever you are, whenever you are. Thank you for watching my video. What's going on? Will require that eventually. And whether you're on any exchange that does not currently require KYC, they'll eventually need that. And so they'll require that eventually. And whether you're on it's best to get ID wherever you can. And so a digital residency at Palau allows you to get ID so that, your government, restricts you from getting crypto.
So yeah, he's talking about IDs, everything for the market. So yeah.
Surge might become precursor to a massive price rally. Yeah. Oof. Can't deny that. The Solana network is experiencing a surge.
So they're talking about Solana. Solana could do good. Ponke is on the Solana meme coin, so that's what we got to take into consideration. So Ponke's on the Solana meme coin, and Myro also. Myro, we've seen it at 2 cents, didn't buy. It's super up right now. It's at like 20 cents, 18 cents. It was at 35 cents. Should have put a little bit in Myro. There's two one I seen Ben the dog that could do good. Didn't pump yet. A lot of hype around it, and the dog with hat doesn't even have, it's not even pronounced well. That one did good. A lot of gains. It might crash, but when it crash, it would be a good buy because it could be like Ponke and Fluky and Pepe. The community behind that token dog with hat, they're not gonna let go of the token. I'm telling you right now. Ponke, dog with hat, Myro, these communities are coming and they want to be rich. So expect that for the next bull run. So we do verify here. We're gonna go and check. Just a moment here. Subscription. So here's our live. When we do verify here, a lot that's been happening. People like him, he's calling the Bitcoin up. He's like, oh, why is it going up? Why is it going up? He doesn't even know. He acts like he knows. That's what people do. Act like they know. So you think you're smart, and you keep. He's talking about He's talking about the Fed chair meeting again. That's all they talk about. The Fed chair meeting again. So when I do verify here, just a moment. Yeah, so crypto actually is pumping, but I wouldn't call it a pump. I would call it a bounce. We do verify here that Ponke is doing good. We're hitting support. We might go back down to 5 cents. It's so what? We're already up, and we're going to go more up. So that's really good for Ponke and everything that comes with Ponke. There's other cryptos. We're going to go and check the top. You guys know me. We're not going to check the top 100. You guys know me. Top 100 for the top 100 followers. For the people that follow. We don't follow. We bought Render at $1.80. That's insane. We bought Metis Injectative. I didn't buy it, but I seen it rocket. Dog with hat. That's what I was telling you guys. But the thing is with this one, you could have got in low, but it's not that low, and it's already top 100. That's what I don't like. Wait for them to leave the top 100, and they're gonna be a super good buy. When they leave the top 100, if he leaves the top 100, this one has a chance to actually hit $1.30. Probably lower $1, but I don't think it's going lower than that. Too much money in that pool. That's how we're gonna call it. They're money pools. People put money in them, and then what happens? Some other people take out the money. That's just what it is. It's a money with pool. It's a pool with money, and people are just putting money and taking money out. If you're quick enough, oh, we bought Fluky. We bought Fluky so early. We bought Fluky while it was straight. Like it pumped here. I know I had it before. I had it before this pump. I had it here. I was already up on my investment. I actually got it like here or something like that. But anyways, I got it, sold it. What else? Fluky. We got Fluky, but we got another one. I'ma remember. It's easy. Fluky, and we got we didn't get bonk. I'm not gonna lie. Okay, let me go in the top 3 and see what I like. See, Wrap Bitcoin market cap is so low, but it doesn't even make sense because if I buy this token for 67, it doesn't make sense. This to me, Wrap H bar, like, oh, they're just the copy of the other tokens, but without the money in it. But why do they hold that value if the money's not there? That's kind of a scam. Frax, really good exchange. That's where I was buying my DC from. So let me see if they're doing good. Oh my god, I would never buy this Frax coin. It stays at $1. So yeah, we're in the top 200. We're not looking for meme coins. I'm looking. Cock Inu is one that sounds fire. I'm not gonna lie, it's fireest shit I ever said on live. But I heard a lot about it. That's why I pressed on it. There was like a surge. You see, boom. It was really low. It went up to 46 cents. Like not that much money, but it's still low. Market cap 320. It's higher than Bonky, so Ponke have a better chance of making money. To be honest, Ponke have a really better chance of making money. So come in the live, join the live, everybody. We're gonna go check how much. Soon the trades are coming in. We're gonna start doing trading. So shout out to that. But we relax now. We're here. We're in the market. We're gonna do our research. Make our money. Don't listen to the haters. Don't follow the haters. So yeah, I'll be back in 2 seconds. You see here, ape with hat. Ape with hat. Not a lot of people are gonna show you this. Ape with hat, next 100 over dog with hat. So do you think ape with hat? I think it could make that makes a lot of sense. You know why? Because of the bored apes. So this could actually rock it, but it's a gamble. You could put your 100 and lose it all. So what we're gonna do is go here. Ape wits is right there. So boom. Ape with hats. Okay, they're not. It did actually rock it on the 13th of March. So went from 4 to 18. That's good. And we crashed back at 6, 7, 9. I would actually buy it at 7 cents. Just put a little money in it. It's only 10 million market cap. It's a Solana meme coin. Me, I'm staying far from the Solana meme coin a bit because I'm already in Ponke. Myro we got in, so we're just gonna chill, see what happens. It's okay if we don't get the next one, but we are gonna get one. So just a moment.
Okay, today for the Bitcoin price, I have some very good news about Bitcoin, but also some quite shocking, really bad news. And I want to take this opportunity. This is a little bit of a different video, but I want to take this opportunity and explain you in detail, but yet very short and condensed, but easy to understand, what my findings about Bitcoin are right now. What are the good news? What are the bad news? How can we profit from these findings, from these insights? And it is related to something which I showed you a few months ago. It is basically giving us an insight into the big people, what the big people are doing with their Bitcoin right now, what the smart money is doing with their Bitcoin right now, what the dumb money is doing with their Bitcoin. We can pull from this chart exactly before, when.
So yeah, this guy, the reason why I still follow him and I still look at his channel is because when crypto was at 15,000, He said, "This is the trade of my life. I'm gonna open a long on Bitcoin with $1 million." I'm like, this guy is mentally retarded. I thought he's gonna get liquidated at like 13,000, 12,000. He never got liquidated. He actually made a lot of money. He sold when we was at like 69,000, something like that, and he made the market crash because he was using so much leverage. For him buying at 50,000 with balls like that with $1 million is crazy. But at least he has $1 million to lose, so that's what you guys gotta put in your head.
They've been starting to sell before we hit the bull market high, and when the dump money started to buy. We can also exactly see when this bull market is most likely going to come to a halt, and what we can expect for Bitcoin right now in the immediate short term. If you like this kind of different video, let me actually adjust this here correctly, then please give me this feedback. Like the video, share the video with your friends, give me some feedback, make noise for the algorithm, comment down below, and I know that you want more of these videos going forward. Let's go straight into it, guys, without any further ado. Yes, I am going to talk about my multi-million US dollar trade, what I will do with this trade. 10 million US dollar trade open right now. I'm going to show you the live trade. What will I do in accordance to what I have just learned about Bitcoin and what you are about to learn? Let's talk about it. And of course, we quickly start here with the chart, but it's not that relevant. I don't really want to focus too much here on the chart. Yes, the moment Bitcoin broke this crazy support, we broke down as expected. And my price target of 60,000 US dollars was also kind of hit. We had 60,500. And this video is not really about to tell you, okay, now this was already the retracement. We go to 83,000, which is another price target of mine. 59 to 60,000 was the price target of this dump. No, I want to keep this aside. I want to talk about that tomorrow. I really want to focus on this one thing. And for that, let me go into, you know what, before I show you the chart, let me quickly elaborate here on my trade, right? I mean, the Bitcoin trade still open, $6.2 million.
So you guys see, I told you guys he opened a Bitcoin trade. Let me go check. You see this one opened at 32,000, but he had another one. He closed it. The one that he opened at 17,000. This is another one he took after while he was in the other trade. So he's doing very good.
A profit, 900,000 US dollars in taken profits already, 800,000 US dollars in funding fees already paid. So like $1.8 million I took, and prove that exactly in the end of the video after we have analyzed this chart here, after I've talked with you about the good news and the shocking, really bad news. Let's talk about that. And quickly, stay with me. Don't be overwhelmed. What you see here, the black line, the big black line, that's the Bitcoin price. The blue line is the long-term holders. Make a mental screenshot. Blue line, long-term holders, black line, Bitcoin price, red line, short-term holders. And quickly, before we go into the chart, and I want to make it a little bit more detailed here, but you see the video is not long. The long-term holders are mostly whales, but it's also smart money. People who are not whales, but people who are holding Bitcoin for at least a year or longer, who are holding Bitcoin throughout the whole bear market, who bought it at the bottom of the bear market, but it's considered to be.
So yeah, he's talking about the people that are buying tops. There's a lot of people that buy tops. I don't know why they do that. They get excited. Oh yeah, I know why they do that. They see the price of Bitcoin and they're like, fuck, I missed my chance. It's 70,000 now. It's 80,000 now. But what they don't get is the price have nothing to do with the asset. Like, someone could create a coin tomorrow and put only $10 million in it, and the price could be higher than 60,000 if he starts with a high number. Like, he starts his coin at $50. So it's going to go up quicker than someone that starts his coin at 0.000001. But not a lot of people are doing that. I don't know why. There should be someone that actually pushes a coin that goes on a price higher than Bitcoin, and you're going to see the whole masses confused.
The dump money. That is people who are holding Bitcoin for a week, for 2 weeks, for 3 months. And they're getting weak hands. They're going to sell very quickly. That is the short-term holders. So usually, if you think about it logically, when the amount of Bitcoin being held by long-term holders is going higher, is going up, that is a bullish sign, right? I mean, we know long-term holders, smart money is buying Bitcoin. In hindsight, where like reverse engineering that, the short-term holder supply, if that is going up, you know, wow, the dump money is buying Bitcoin. Let's get a little bit careful. Let's get cautious. At least that I want to say. When, however, the amount of Bitcoin being held by long-term holders, this blue line, I will show you in a moment, is going lower, that is the moment you want to say, hey, why is the smart money selling right now, right? And in the on the flip side, when the short-term holders are going lower, that is when the dump money is selling, you know, hey, this dump money is selling. Maybe that's a moment where I should get very cautious. Maybe that is where I should jump in, right? Usually want to do what the smart money is doing, and you want to do the opposite of what the dump money is doing. Keep that in mind. Now let's go into the chart with that understanding. Going into the chart right now, dear ladies and gentlemen, you can see, let me go back here. This is 2017. The red circle in the middle shows us the beginning of the last parabolic cycle in 2017. As you can see, as the last year, as Bitcoin was coming close to the all-time high, basically in the moment it broke the all-time high, and we had this last 1 year run towards the upside, 8 months, 10 months, 12 months. That was the moment where the smart money started to not dump, but scale out of the market. You can see the blue line going lower, and it hit a low exactly when the Bitcoin price hit an all-time high. On the opposite side, the short-term holders started to buy from the long-term holders. The red line going up. Why the...
This is actually a good chart because it shows the short-term buyers and the long-term buyers. So this is a chart you really need to watch if you're doing crypto, because if you follow this chart, you're always gonna make money. It's simple. And to be a long time holder is easy. You just hold. People just go back in their account and sell. Also, to be a long, you could also sell and come back in at a lower price, and you're gonna gain more coins. So there's multiple techniques.
The blue line is going lower, and the long-term holder supply reaching an all-time high the moment the Bitcoin price reached an all-time high. When the Bitcoin price reached an all-time high, short-term holders reaching an all-time high, long-term holders reaching an all-time low. The long-term holders, the smart money, dumped their bag on the short-term holders. Interesting, right? How we can pull from the Bitcoin blockchain interesting and important data showing us what the smart money and dump money is doing. Was this just this one cycle, or is it repeating? Well, let's go to the next cycle. I will show you this cycle just shortly. You can see here, the moment Bitcoin broke 15,000, broke towards the all-time high, that was the moment the short-term holders started to sell. And the long-term holders, the blue line, started to sell. And the short-term holders started to accumulate. When Bitcoin hit the 65,000 US dollar all-time high, that was the temporary bottom for the long-term holders and the all-time high for the short-term holders. So the same thing happened again. Some people might say, hey, we hit all-time high for the short-term holders. So the same thing happened again. Some people might say, hey, we hit 69,000 afterwards. Inflation adjusted 7 months later, 3% higher, that's nothing. That was not really a real all-time high. We basically hit the same price. It was a double top. So you can see the same thing happened again. Whales and long-term holders were selling to the short-term holders. Smart money selling to the dump money. And now, what is happening right now? What is the good news? What is the bad news? Here you can see, you know what? It's like red. You can't really see it. So let me go here to the right side. The red, the blue circle, you get the black circle. You can see the moment Bitcoin started this last parabolic run towards the upside, we can see for the first time, please guys, understand, for the first time in 2 years, the last 24 months, for the first time, the long-term holder supply is tilting towards the downside. For the first time, we can say long-term holders stopped accumulating. And everyone can come and show me these like addresses from BlackRock and ETF addresses. Yes, it's beautiful. The bull market is not over yet. That is the good news. It is not over yet. Bitcoin has more upside. Yes, Bitcoin will hit way higher prices in accordance to my analysis at least. But the bad news is long-term holders are slowly starting to dump. To who? Look at this. We are starting to tilt towards the upside. The short-term holders are starting to accumulate Bitcoin. Dump money is entering the market right now as we speak. What does that mean? Does it mean the bull market is over? Not at all. Whenever we see this flip happening, when the short-term holders are tilting up, they are buying, the dump money is buying, and the long-term holders are selling. Whenever this is happening, we have another 8 to 12 months to go. And I personally thought we are going well into 2025. I think most likely this bull market is going to end. No one is saying that. I'm going to say it now. Most probably somewhere towards the end of the year, maybe in the first quarter of the next year. Unfortunately, it is probably going to end faster than we all thought. And that is the bad news. But you watching this video, you still have most of the parabolic run in front of you. That is the beautiful thing. When the long-term holders are starting to sell, that's not the end. They just start to accumulate out. They start to actually sell. That is my news for today, dear ladies and gentlemen. I hope you got some value.
So yeah, I hope you guys actually listen. What I wanted to say also is that he's actually right, because this is one of the main questions I keep asking myself, like, is the bull run right now and the Bitcoin halving, they're gonna dump and price is gonna go lower, and the next bull run might be not in 2025. So that's the most worrying part. But for real, I don't care. I placed myself for this bull run, took the money, I paid my debts, I did a couple of good moves, so I'm just gonna wait till it crashed so I could buy more. I'm addicted to this stuff. It's like easy money. I never made percentages like that in nowhere investing in my life, even in real life, even in the stock market. Like, this crypto shit is really changing my life. That's why I'm here every day. I'm talking about it. I'm showing people, like, if it wasn't really helping me, I don't even think I'd be even excited to talk about it. But I think the only reason it's really helping me is because I'm smart and I do the opposite of what people do. Yeah, that's the main thing. And I love discounts, so I get this stuff on discount. When I see a good opportunity, I'm gonna take it. I'm not gonna ask nobody. I'm gonna do my own stuff. So that's one thing about me. I check all of them. Like him, Crypto, he calls good plays, but I have to go check other people too. And if he is right about this bull run not being ending in the beginning of 2025, I think I'm gonna start listening more to him, because at the beginning I really hated this guy. I'm not gonna lie. He used to come and be like, "What's up with the Bitcoin price?" Like, I was tired of this guy. I'm like, this guy's annoying. I was listening to what he was saying during the bull run too. So what he was saying was almost the same thing as other people were saying. So I didn't really trust him. But when it crashed and I kept watching these videos of a lot of crypto people, I seen who's there to stay, who only use the hype to boost their YouTube, who really knows about crypto. Yeah, this wasn't not a good 2-3 years for me to actually learn and see what's really going on YouTube, and how this is working, and how even the crypto niche is working. I could find any crypto video that came out in the last day. I just filter it. People don't filter nothing. Me, I filter it the last hour, last day, last month, and then I check. So I'm up to date on the new videos, and then I don't really watch the old videos, because what's the point? Crypto's always advancing quick. If you're watching the old videos, you're probably not gonna see a lot of stuff. So yeah, if you realize I'm not wearing my grills no more that much, because I went to the dentist, fixed up my mouth. They said the grill putting it up and down in my mouth for like up putting it anyways, fire for that. But they said that it's messing up my tooth. It actually scraped 2 of them on the sides. I had to pay for that. and but there was cavities in those teeth, so I don't know if it's the grills, but there's other cavities on the bottom, and I have grills also on the bottom, so I don't know if there's the grills giving me the cavity. But before that, I did had cavities before the grills on 2 teeth. I fixed it. They didn't even talk about it, so probably that's fixed good. If I do remember, it was somewhere on the top somewhere. But now I feel all these stuff they're putting in my mouth. I don't know. They replaced teeth with something else. I don't know what's going on. So yeah, um, social media. You see this? I don't know about ape with that, but if you do see it blow up, here you seen it first here, not nowhere else. Here on my channel, you could follow Matthew Perry, but you didn't. He just actually. Anyways, you know what I'm saying. So he taught me about the BRC20s token before everybody. He actually I see showed me already at $1. I didn't buy. I'm not gonna lie, I didn't buy because I didn't understand. It's all on the Bitcoin network. It has to do transactions with Bitcoin. I hate Bitcoin. I'm gonna be honest with you guys. I love Dogecoin. I use the Doge chain. I thought my chain was gonna be better than others. I got a sweeper bot on my wallet. I'm going through a lot with that wallet. There's money in it. I'm just gonna leave it there. I'm on to next things. I have my ledger. I have another MetaMask wallet where I hold the base bread that we bought for this channel. You guys remember? I was like, yo, we're gonna buy base bread. I did all the transaction. I didn't do a video of how to buy base bread. There's a reason why. You just go on their website and there's already a video. What's the point of me making a video of something that everybody could go see and it's already explained and the video's edited real good? I can't even match the video editing of that video to actually show people, but it's true. It would have actually brought people to my channel with a video like that, but I'm not really trying to, like, it's not financial advice, and if people really want to buy the token, they know where they're gonna find it. Even me, I did my own research, I did my own due diligence, so I'm always here on the market. This guy, I'm not gonna lie, he's really
official
good. Like,
Twitter
but I don't know, he's kind of
account,
shilling
and
coins now because he was talking about Sats
shortly, guys.
Hunters.
This is very important.
So let we go see Sats Hunters. I remember he was pushing that. So probably it could be doing good, huh? We never know. So you see, he was pushing this. It was 14 cents. I never bought. Start crashing on people. It could come back, but I'm not buying. I don't like these projects. I'm not too much into the BRC scene. He is. He knows a lot about BRC tokens. I could show you guys. He really was talking about BRC before everybody. Because of him, I told 2 or 3 of my friends they never even bought nothing in the BRC ecosystem. So you see, we're gonna go back here. 10 months, 11 months, boom. Nobody knew what it was. Look, Wizard, Ordi. There's Ordi. He was promoting Ordi, I remember, man. You see, no, he's too old. Pulse Chain, Ink. You see the Sats Hunters. I told you guys he was promoting it. Look, BRC 20 Pepe. I don't know. I didn't buy that. I don't think he even did good. But yeah, it's really here. The best NFT started here. You see Ordi. Let's check. There's even videos you could see the price of Ordi. It was $1. I swear to God. Look, I'm gonna show you guys. Ordi.
BRC. No, Ordi was.
Look, 20.
The first one to be ever created, the first ever BRC20, and that was gone at the time, 100%. And then we had Meme, which is the one that's still available right now. A little bit of it is available. I'm guessing within 24 hours it's gone. And if you go to ordinals.com, all you see right now is a Meme being minted. But anyways, at the time it was only 3.48% available. Punks was all, and you're good. And follow. Today, this is how this website looks, right? So guys,
look at the price of Ordi. 10 cents. 11 cents. We would have been. Oh my lord. I can't believe I missed that. I seen this video. I watched all of this. I just didn't take action. So that's what I want to teach people today. You could see something, you could be the first one there, but you really have to put your money where your mouth is. Like, look, 10 cents, 11 cents. I seen this video. I knew about the website. I didn't have a Sats wallet or on the ordinal. You could have just created one, but it says 100% minted, so I think it wasn't even possible to get one. I don't know.
Already, the
Had to buy it
price
from
right
something
now is
else.
essentially 11 cents. And remember, you pretty much got this for free in a way, right? You kind of got it for free. And when I say for free, all you had to really do was pay the the Bitcoin fee. These guys weren't making the money. The people who made the Ordi token, which is the guy who tapped into BRC20 tokens, or the person who's making the meme or the Ponke or the Pepe or the BAYC, Bored Ape Yacht Club, that money doesn't go to them. That's just how much it costs to inscribe. That's all. Okay? But anyways, as you can see, Ordi is about 11 cents. That's what people are trading this for in the OTC markets. And there's also marketplaces being developed where you can do this in a decentralized way. Now, Punk, it says $90. Market cap is 900. So I'm guessing, I don't know, they sold a couple for $90. And the limits right here was only one at a time. You could have only minted, okay? Also, we see Pepe is sold out, and it's about 3.5 cents right now is what